So this is day 2 right here at Rider Mania, Royal Enfield, and all my biker brothers from Goa are here. I already know them. I've been here multiple times, and they've been really friendly, almost like family to me. And it's so great to catch up with them. And they are taking me to a special place. I'm super excited. Let's see how this turns out.
Mama thinks that I'm going under. Papa says it's all just a phase. I just hear the voice in my mind saying everything's not gonna be okay. Cause I lost friends trying to tie up all my loose ends. Now I'm alone. Had a rough year trying to chase away the tears I wasted on love. So I'm laying on the couch and doctor I don't know, hoping he can analyze my soul. Said my lover is gone, they left no note. I got nobody and no goal. Doctor, tell me how'd I get this low? I don't wanna live my life no more. So give me all your pills, something that could kill the pain. He says everything comes and everything goes. You don't need love, you need you the most. So I won't give you drugs to overdose. You don't need love, you need you the most.
Wow, what a scene. We're on this boat, all the bikes are here, and we're just moving away to the other part of the island, I believe. And the scenes are absolutely breathtaking. My brothers are here. Anik, Rohit, Kevin, Vaibhav. Can't thank them enough because the ride has been so amazing. Completely. I mean, that's what defines Goa. It's the greenery and the scenery completely, soaks you in nature actually. Wow, what an experience. Absolutely out of this world. Can't thank you guys enough. So these guys have brought me to an island. They say it's really, the way to this island is absolutely breathtaking. I think I needed this because it was uh, absolutely, rejuvenating kind of an experience. Like it completely soaks you in nature and kind of drenches you in greenery. And that's what Goa is known for. Like Mother Nature in all its mighty glory. And thanks to them, like these kids right here, Anik, Rohit, Kevin, Vaibhav, thank you so much. I can't thank you guys enough. And we are on an island. What is this island called?
It's called Divar.
Divar. Okay. Any special thing about this island?
Basically, this island doesn't have a bridge or road connecting to it.
Okay.
Only way to get to the island is a ferry.
Okay. Cars as well as bikes?
Yeah, for anything.
Okay, okay. We have a car coming right now. So the ferry ride was pretty
Yes.
special because this was first of its kind for me at least. And yeah, it was really special. And we have a wonderful bike giving you company and wonderful friends and brothers. Doesn't get better than this.
Mama thinks that I'm going under. Papa says it's all just a phase. I just hear the voice in my mind saying everything's not gonna be okay. Cause I lost friends trying to tie up all my loose ends. Now I'm alone. Had a rough year trying to chase away the tears I wasted on love. So I'm laying on the couch and doctor I don't know, hoping he can analyze my soul. Said my lover is gone, they left no note. I got nobody and no goal. Doctor, tell me how'd I get this low? I don't wanna live my life no more. So give me all your pills, something that could kill the pain. He says everything comes and everything goes. You don't need love, you need you the most. So I won't give you drugs to overdose. You don't need love, you need you the most. anything comes and everything goes. You don't need love, you need you the most. So I won't give you drugs to overdose. You don't need love, you need you the most.
So we are at this beautiful church called Our Lady of Piety Church, and yes, of course, me being a Christian, this means a lot to me, and can't thank these guys enough from Roads of Goa. And just look at the scenes here. This island is so beautiful. The roads here are so amazing. I mean, these guys are so lucky, and yes, I'm lucky to grab a ride on the Interceptor as well. And it's all smiles here with the brotherhood ruling the morning ride. Brotherhood and friendship, nothing gets better than this. So now, yeah, what could get better is we could get some good breakfast as well because I'm really starving. I just hope these guys can find me a good place where I can grab some good breakfast. So that's what is coming up next. So Anik has brought me to Cafe Real. He says this is one of the oldest cafes.
One of the oldest.
One of the oldest cafes, and it's featured in some of the films. Yes. It's featured in some of the films. Whatever it is, let's hope the food is good. I am really starving, and I can't. How can I thank you guys ever? Please come to Hyderabad such that Hyderabadi mehman nawazi का मौका मुझे दीजिए, ठीक है? So see you guys at let's dig into some good food. I just wanted to have breakfast. These guys ordered an entire buffet of breakfast. These guys are digging in already. It's time for me. Enough of stories. Enough of stories. Time to stuff the food in. Wow, what a sumptuous breakfast, guys. Yeah, I keep saying this. How can I thank you and all? But yes, there's no formalities between brothers. That smile says it all. He is almost like a brother for me out here in Goa, and all these guys, Vaibhav and Rohit and Kevin. So we had a wonderful ride, and if we don't, thank the motorcycle because it's such an exceptional motorcycle, the Interceptor. So versatile, so comfortable, so usable, and you can just ride on that all day long. So kudos to Royal Enfield for giving us such an outstanding motorcycle. And such a refreshing ride, completely rejuvenated from the inside out. So, and this is their office, Virtual Tribe.
Yes.
Virtual Tribe. So you have a social media page as well.
Yes, it's Virtual Tribe in.
Okay, Virtual Tribe in.
Yeah.
Where on Instagram?
Instagram, Facebook.
Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. So be sure to follow them. These guys are really good with their photography skills and the camera skills and the production quality. So feel free to contact them if you want to create some quality content for yourself. And yes, we're going to continue having fun. So that's Vaibhav. He took the tracking shots, and this guy is like the director of the shots kind of a thing. But together we all had fun. So that's what matters most. More than the official kind of creating content kind of vibe, it is more about hanging around and enjoying life as it happens.
Mama thinks that I'm going under. Papa says it's all just a phase. I just hear the voice in my mind saying everything's not gonna be okay. Cause I lost friends trying to tie up all my loose ends. Now I'm alone. Had a rough year trying to chase away the tears I wasted on love. So I'm laying on the couch and doctor, I don't